There's only 7 of them this time. Usually I'll take probably 9 to 10 at any given time, maybe more, depending on what I have room for. But they don't come in unless I get them right away. They don't come in real healthy. And sometimes even if they just got in, they're pretty unhealthy. The mother that came in with them will be getting her, but what happened is the shelter, she was a nursing mother of some of these puppies, and they put the little puppies in with them so they could all nurse off the same mother. And unfortunately, one of the little ones died, and the other ones were in pretty sad shape because the size difference is pretty obvious, and the little ones weren't getting the nutrition they needed. So we've been working on them, and we've seen worse, so we're not freaking out or anything about it. 3 weeks ago, their skin had a lot of open sores on them, and I'm still battling with that on some of them, but for the most part, it's healed up. So they were giving, obviously, their outrageous temper shots. They were given warmer. They were given medicine for coccidia. They were given bordetella. They were given flea meds. They were covered in ticks, although I don't think that that's what the problem is with the sores on them. I think that they came in contact with some either very filthy environment, which is a given in a shelter, or they were splattered with some kind of chemical at the shelter while the cleaning process was going on. So either way, they suffered a lot of damage to their skin, and 2 of them are extremely small compared to the other ones. 3 weeks ago, their skin had a lot of open sores on them, and I'm still battling with that on some of them, but for the most part, it's healed up. Lot of dogs this transport, so it's going to be a real light one. It's going to take minutes to load, but we do have to tag everybody, and they get colored bandanas so when they get up to the rescue, they know that that group goes together. Whoever's got red on all goes together, whoever's got pink on all goes together, because it gets real confusing on their end.